Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Andre back with another powerful video for you guys. So if this is your first time to my channel, I want to say welcome. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification button, and make sure you give this video some love as well, all right? And on this channel, what I talk about is how to make money online entrepreneurships, and how you guys can have a better life of freedom. And just enjoy your life. Maybe you want to find something else to replace your current job or do something on the side to supplement another income. Because in this day and age, especially in 2018, 19, and beyond, you're going to need at least two streams of income to survive. As you can see how the economy is going these days. All right. So I'm going to jump into things and get started. So what I'm going to be talking about is data entry online jobs, all right? So data entry online jobs, and I'm going to share with you two websites that you can go there and you can find data entry online jobs, and they pay well, all right? So I did some research and I found out that these two websites can give you some good money in your pocket. So whether you want to do it as a side hustle or you want to do it full-time or part-time, whichever one you choose, all right? So not going to waste too much of your time today, so I'm going to jump into things. And the very first website is called Glassdoor, right? So I was on Glassdoor because I wanted to find out if they have some real legitimate data entry online jobs. And of course, this site is real. It is a real website, and they provide a lot of help. And there's a lot of different jobs on here. So if you click on here, they can show you like the company, salaries, interviews, and all that kind of stuff. So in here it says data entry, right? So if you click on where data entry is, if you look over on this side, they're telling you exactly what they're looking for, right? And you could just go through here, and it also shows you how much they pay as well. So if you look at right here, data entry specialist, they pay anywhere between $14 to $21 per hour, just to input some data into a system. And if you come through here, you can see they have this one, $14 to $19 per hour. This one right here is anywhere from like 50K to 79K for the year, $25 to $29 an hour, right? This one is in Springfield, Massachusetts. You have one that talks about, this is accounts receivable payable specialist, $15 to $17 an hour. So if you come through this website and you can find, so just go on glassdoor.com, make sure you type it in, and you can put in your location and different places that you think they will have jobs available for you. So this right here, you could check them out and then apply and see if you are qualified, right? So the next website that I found is called ZipRecruiter. ZipRecruiter, again, type in data entry, and they're looking for data entry specialists here. It's like $13 an hour, right? This is like full time. Right here is like data entry and customer service specialist. And if you go through here, you could see they have some really good jobs offering, but data entry, data specialist, data processor, data entry reporter, data entry specialist, right? This one here, as you can tell, this is like contractor, right? So they pay like $1,000 monthly. So that's not bad, right? So if you're looking for some side hustle, extra money, these two websites are what you can look for. So if you want to apply, let's say you want to do a quick apply for this one, you just click on where it says apply, right? You put your email in and you apply right now. And they say complete all entry by 7 a.m. MST. Work takes 2 hours daily. So it shows you here what they're looking for, right? And they're looking for desired skill / experience, data entry and migration, some data analysis, strong attention to detail, Microsoft Excel, etc., right? And you could just come through here, and if you don't get qualified, or if you didn't get approved, just check out some more, right? Check them out and see which one is going to be good for you, and just keep applying until someone replies to you with a data entry job. So those are the two websites that I dug deep and figure out. And these websites, they are legit. They're a legitimate company, and you could just start right away. Check them out and see if it's going to be good for you as well. All right. And if you're looking for my number one recommendation of ways how to make money online, if you want to learn about affiliate marketing and coaching, consulting, all that type of stuff, check out the link down below. Sign up right away and you can get some help. All right. Thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, give me some love. Let me know in the comments area what videos should I do next. All right. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Peace.